Let's make a comforting and delicious meatball curry packed with a lot of flavor. These juicy, tender meatballs are cooked in a rich, aromatic yogurt and onion gravy. That's perfect with rice or naan bread. Let's get started. First, grind 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds. It needs to be finely ground. Transfer it to the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it to combine and let it soak for 15 minutes. In the meantime, grind 2 tablespoons of roasted chickpeas. We need to remove the skin before grinding. Roasted chickpeas are easily available in grocery stores. Set aside for later use. Now we have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 cup of chopped onions. Remove excess water from it. You can just squeeze it. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Add 500 grams of mincemeat to a big bowl. Add 1/2 of the soaked poppy seeds paste. Save rest of the paste for the gravy. Add the onion, cilantro, and green chilies, followed by roasted chickpeas powder and spices. Mix it to combine. Now it's time to make meatballs. We have 1/4 cup of water. Put some water on your hands. Shape the meat into evenly sized balls. Each ball is around 50 grams. At this point, you can freeze these meatballs. I suggest to make a big batch and freeze half of it to use it later. In a pan, add 1/2 cup of oil. Add 150 grams of sliced onions. Cook on medium-low heat until they turn golden brown. Switch off the flame and take it out of the pan. Now take 1/2 cup of yogurt. Add the fried onions. Blend it. Make a smooth paste and set aside to use it later. In the same oil, add 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 2 black cardamom, a bay leaf, 4 cloves, and 4 black peppers. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1/2 cup of water and switch on the heat. Cook on low heat until oil separates. Now add the remaining poppy seed paste. 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Cooked on low heat for 5 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. After that, cook on medium-low heat until oil separates. Now, add the meatballs. Carefully cook the meatballs on low-medium heat. At this point, don't try to flip them. Add the onion and yogurt paste. Carefully mix it to combine. Cover and cook for 20 minutes until tender. In the meantime, take 2 1-inch long stands of mace, 1 small piece of nutmeg, and grind it. Set aside for later use. After 20 minutes, cook on medium heat. When you see excess water evaporates and oil separates from the gravy, it's time to add 1 cup of water and the ground mace and nutmeg. Followed by 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it gently. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Some mild green chilies, if you like. Delicious meatball curry is now ready to serve. Enjoy it with steamed basmati rice or soft naan bread. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!